Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir culture at home. First, you'll need about 1 tablespoon of active kefir grains and 2 cups of fresh milk, preferably whole milk. Make sure your glass jar and any utensils are thoroughly clean to avoid introducing unwanted bacteria. This initial setup is crucial for a successful fermentation process. We're aiming for a healthy, vibrant culture right from the start. Once you have your grains and milk, gently combine them in your clean glass jar. Do not seal the jar tightly. Instead, use a coffee filter or cloth secured with a rubber band. This allows the kefir to breathe while keeping out contaminants. Place the jar at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 18 to 24 hours. You'll notice it thickening and developing a tangy aroma. After 18 to 24 hours, your kefir should be ready. Gently stir the mixture, then pour it through a non-metal sieve into a clean bowl or jar. The liquid that passes through is your finished kefir, ready to drink or store. The grains will remain in the sieve. You can rinse the grains very gently with cool, filtered water if you prefer, but it's not always necessary. To continue your kefir journey, simply place the strained grains into a new batch of fresh milk. If you need a break, store the grains in a small amount of milk in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Your finished kefir can be stored in the refrigerator for about 7 days. It's delicious on its own or in smoothies. For easy meal prep and storage, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.